Hi friends, good morning one and all and warm welcome our BYK College online lecture series for standard 11th. Today I start SP's first chapter, that means Secretarial Practice first chapter. In this chapter all of you learn that what's the secretary and what's the origin of secretary, meaning, definition, and functions of the secretary, features of a secretary, and types of secretary. So, anybody tell me in our Gokhale Education Societies who is the secretary? Yes, anybody tell me? Yes, good. Doctor, yes, Sir, Dr. M.S. Gosavi sir. Yes, very good. And also thanks to our BYK's principal, Dr. Ram Kulkarni sir. Sir also the divisional secretary of our Gokhale Education Society. And also say thanks to our vice principal Praveen Mule sir. Myself, Mrs. Sheetal Kaviraj Jadhav. I am your SP teacher. You know friend, secretary means what? In the chapter, in the subject, all of you learn that that means this subject is the optional subject. All of you know. So many students have taken maths and all of you taken the SP, right? So in this subject, you have learned that more because subject SP is the professional subject. Secretary, that person, why need the secretary? Because day by day increase the business, modern business, each and every business, company, your firm, your society appoint the secretary. Secretary means well educated person. Secretary is the knowledgeable person, personality, and also that person knows each and every information, each and every laws related to that firm, related to that society, related to that the government laws. So that's why birth is secretary. So now I start first chapter. This is the chapter wise portion. This is the our 11th space book's front page, front cover. So when you purchase the book, so you remember this front page, front cover of this SP subject. This is the chapter wise portion. Total 12 lectures, total 12 chapters in the SP subject. First chapter is the secretary, second joint stock company, formation of a company, documents related to formation of a company, members of a company, directors and key managerial person of a company. Company meetings 1, company meetings 2. Then after I explain you business communication skill of a secretary. Correspondence with directors, correspondence with banks and correspondence with statutory authorities. So that means all the letter writing. So this all is the your SP's chapter, SP's portion. So all of you know in this year, in this pandemic situation, only this year your 30% syllabus has been reduced. This portion is reduced. Chapter first, 1.4, that means importance of secretary has reduced. Second chapter's evaluation of business organization has reduced. And third chapter, 3.11, role of promoters at promotion stage. Next one, in the fourth chapter, article of association and prospectus also the reduce. Next one, members, shareholders. Powers of directors, duties of directors, liabilities of directors and removal of directors, company secretarial duties also the reduce in the sixth chapter, remember. And chapter number 7, kinds of motion. Chapter 8, functions of secretary related, we think annual general. And last one, 9th chapter, modes of electronic communication and essential skills for effective communication has been reduced. So that means total 1 to 9 chapters, 30% syllabus has been reduced. Remember. Okay. Then next. Today I start chapter first. What's the objective of this chapter? First one, all of you learn that you know origin of secretary. All of you learn meaning and definition of secretary, features of secretary, types of secretary, that means two types, personal and institutional secretary. In the institutional, again four types, secretary of non-profit association, secretary of cooperative society, secretary of joint stock company and secretary of government department. So this is the two types of secretary. Then after I explain you functions of secretary and qualities of secretary, and last one, distinguish between the types of secretary. So these all is the related to the, all of you learn that chapter first. Intro in this chapter. The Indian economy is fast developing and has fastest growing service sector in the world. So that means day by day in our world developing our business. So each and every business, each and every factory, each and every business, so that means company, yeah, society, firm needs a secretary. So the term secretary practice means what? Has been used to include knowledge, skills, procedure and methods of work to be performed by a private secretary or assistant, office assistant, yeah, institutional secretary. So now persons with secretarial skills find employment in all types of offices. For example, so that means each and every offices, agencies, firm appoint a secretary. So the secretary is the professional job, remember. So for example, government department, public or private department, different types of agencies, all the types of field needs a secretary. The profession of a secretary is one such profession which caters to the changing demands of the businessman and organization. Because of secretary is the knowledge of each and every. Secretary is the important person each and every organization. So in this subject, all of you learn that origin, importance, features, types of secretaries, appointment of the secretary, qualities, qualification, functions, different types of functions, duties, different types of secretaries, the functioning of the joint stock company. So, this is important points related to this chapter. Okay, then next. Origin of secretary. So that means secretary, this word, this concept not start now. This concept started from the Latin civilization, Roman Empire and Indian civilization, Indian history, ancient Indian history. So that means secretary in this concept start for the Raja, Maharaja and Puratan Kal. So in that time, Latin civilization, secretary called as secretarius. Roman Empire says scribe. And in the Indian history, ancient Indian history, say Amatya, Sachiv and Chitnis. Remember. Maybe this type, this all the points is remember related to your objective type question. Maybe ask the question, explain the origin of secretary. Yeah, maybe this all is filling the blanks. Yeah, match the pairs. Remember. For example, this is the pair. Latin civilization, secretarius. Roman Empire, scribe. And Indian history, maybe ask the question Amatya, Sachiv, Chitnis. Okay. So secretarius means a confidential writer. And in the Roman Empire says scribe, so that means secretary means a professional letter writer. Remember. Okay. Then, what's the meaning and definition of the secretary? Oxford Dictionary define a secretary. So if you see in here in this word secretary, so hide that meaning. Anybody tell me? Yes, secretary. That means secret. Secrets who keep a secret in our mind. Who keep the secret record of that person is called the secretary. This is the simple definition. Okay. And next also one Oxford Dictionary define the secretary. A person whose work is to write for others. Others, दूसरों के लिए काम करता है, especially one who is employed to. So that means secretary is an employee, and who employer means boss, office boss. Work for the boss, work for the employer. So secretary is employed. What's the working in that time? Conduct correspondence, keep records and to transact various other business for another person or for a society or corporation or public body. So all of you understood what's the meaning of secretary? What's the definition? Many times ask the question, define secretary and explain the origin, explain the features of secretary. So you that time write down the definition of the secretary. So next a definition is define Secretaries Act, Company Secretaries Act 1980. Define a secretary as a person who is a member of Institute of Company Secretaries of India. So that means ICSI. Okay, remember this one also. Next. Features of secretary. If you ask the question, explain the features of a secretary. So first you write down all the points. And then after explain one by one. This is the features. First one, individual, qualities, representative, confidential officer, then paid employee, then appointment, qualification, and duties. These all is the features of secretary. Now see one by one. First one, individual. Remember, secretary is an individual person. So that means only individual can be appointed as a secretary. So that means cannot be appointed as a firm, an institution or corporate body. So maybe individual means only one person, yeah, maybe girls, boys, ladies or gents, but only one. So that means not a institute. Secretary, it is an individual person, remember. Second feature is the duties. Two types of the duties of the secretary. First one, routine duties, and second one, administrative duties. That means correspondence, letter writing, conducting meetings, maintaining records, and providing information to his boss or his firm or society. As a clerical work, recording, fixing appointments, giving reminders, replying to other employees' queries. This is all is the duties of the secretary. These duties according to the remember nature of work of the organization or employer. Of course, each and every employer, each and every boss, each and every society's work has been different. So that means duties is different of nature of the work. Okay. Then qualification. Every secretary must pass certain qualification as per the organization. So a person who is appointed as a company secretary in a public or private company. So that means two types of the company, public or private company, needs to have certain prescribed qualification according to Companies Act. Remember, Companies Act 2013, remember. And government department secretary needs the related to the qualification as per the government rules and regulation. Next one, I explain you which one. Appointment. A secretary can be appointed by individual, professionals, society, या corporation, government, public organization या joint stock company appoint a secretary. Remember. In other words, secretary pay the secretary is given a salary or paid an honorarium. Means maybe secretary is a full-time so in that pay the salary, otherwise paid an honorarium means remuneration. Confidential officer. Secretary is a custodian. Remember, secretary is the custodian of secret and confidential information. Secretary is the keeper record secretly in our mind, in our custody. So because of he closely connected to the top management and can be involved in policy decision. So that's why secretary say custodian या confidential officer. Next point is the representative. Representative of the organization. So that means personal assistant या institutional secretary. So appointed by an individual known as personal secretary, a personal assistant. These secretaries represent their employers of his boss. An institutional secretary is appointed by society, companies, government departments and represent that organization. Qualities. The qualities like concentration, intelligence, tactfulness, loyalty, cooperation, courtesy, leadership, and knowledge seeker. So that means each and every secretary is a knowledgeable person. Secretary is a very intelligent person, brilliant person. That's why upon the secretary, each and every firm, each and every society. Yes, right? So why this quality is important? Because of course, assist in smooth and efficient working of the organization. So this quality is important for not only the secretary but also we also, us also. So this quality is very important for all of you also. Yes, right? Because this very important. So automatically all the works has efficiently and smoothly working. Study, yeah, or working in that organization. So is it clear now? Okay, good. Next. This one, types of secretary. Two types of the secretary. Personal secretary and institutional secretary. Personal secretary also called the PA. PA means personal assistant, remember. And second one, institutional secretaries, again, next types. See here, secretary of joint stock company, secretary of government department, secretary of non-profit association, and secretary of cooperative society. Then after I explain you one by one. Other body corporates. Okay. So see now. Personal secretary. This is the personal secretary who works, so many works has been done. The personal secretary is also called the personal assistant. PA is the oldest type of secretary. A personal secretary is one who is appointed by busy person. Busy individuals like industrialists, businessmen, professionals to conduct the correspondence and day-to-day routine duties. So that means each and every busy person appoint a secretary. Maybe doctors, lawyers, actor appoint a secretary. Okay. Busy individual appoint secretaries to look after other work, so as to enable them concentrate on their primary work. So that means why appoint the secretary? In this person concentrate our main work, and secretary is see each and other works. So who appoint the personal secretary? Doctors, lawyers, engineers, CA, actors, politicians, leaders and ministers appoint a personal secretary. Remember. Qualification. So personal secretary is no specific qualification, but graduation degree is important. Good command over language is required. And also the knowledge of computers, internet skills. So this is important. This is necessity for now just one. Means now become a important for computer and internet skill also. Then the qualification depends on the requirement of employer's profession. So that means each and every profession's each and every profession's work is different. For example, CA. If in the CA's secretary know the knowledge of the accountancy, accountant. Related to the engineering, lawyer, know all the laws. Okay, so that means qualification is depends on the employer's profession. Remember. So all of you understood. Yes, personal secretary may be asked the question. Write a short note. Personal secretary. Okay. Then next. Second type is the institutional secretary. Institutional secretary means a secretary appointed by an institution or organization is called institutional secretary. Okay. Secretary of Joint Stock Company, it is a institutional secretary. Joint Stock Company means a form of organization which is considered to be the most suitable one for organizing business activities on a large scale. A company secretary is considered to be one of the key officer. So that means company secretary is the key officer and vital importance in modern business organization. So that means role of the vital important role of that secretary. Who appoint the secretary? The company secretary is appointed right from the time the company is formed to look after the various aspects of a business. Secretary works under the control of the board of directors. Okay, so that means board of director appoint the secretary. Appointment of a company secretary as per the Companies Act 2013. Remember, what's the Companies Act 2013? Remember. The board of directors cannot look after the day-to-day affairs. So that's why board of directors appoint the secretary. Qualification of the company secretaries. Norms of all the Companies Act 2013. Company secretary must be member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. So that means ICSI. Remember, company secretary pass the ICSI exam. This is the match the pair also. Remember, company secretary ICSI and then next one government secretary IAS exam. Okay. Then next type of the institutional secretary is the secretary of government department. Okay. So secretary of government departments appointment. This is all the related to the government department. Okay. Are those departments working under the various ministers that state and central government? So that means two types of the government, all of you know, central government and state government. Okay. So yes, anybody tell me? Yes, Prime Minister means here it is the, yes, PM Modi sir. Okay. So who is the secretary of the Prime Minister? Yes, anybody tell me? Good. PK Mishra. Yes. PK Mishra is the secretary of a Prime Minister. So these secretaries, central government or state government secretaries hold position as a head of the department. Remember, like finance secretary, defense secretary or home secretary. Okay. For Ministry of External Affairs and Government of India and also IFS means Indian Foreign Services is appointed as a secretary. So that means each and every department appoints a secretary. That's a need. Qualification. Remember, Secretary of Government need to pass a graduation degree and also should pass the civil service examination conducted by the Public Service Commission and also Indian Administrative Service. That means he has passed the IAS exam. Remember, already I told you in the government department secretary's pair is, remember, IAS exam and company secretary ICSI. Okay, is it clear now? Good. Next. This is the third point या third type of the institutional secretary. Secretary of a non-profit association. Non-profit association means in which means the organization formed to promote social educational. So that means promote, provide the services, cultural, arts, sports, activity, educational. So in these organizations, main aim is providing services not to earn profits. So these secretaries appointed by management committee, remember. These secretary may be full-time या part-time. May be salary based या remuneration based या honorarium. For example, Rotary Club, Lions Club, Sports Club, Cultural Clubs, या Chamber of Commerce, etc. appoint a secretary. In this secretary has no prescribed qualification, but the secretary should be acquainted with the objects and basic functioning of the organization. Yes, and also the knowledge of computer, correspondence, letter writing, professional letter writing are the basic requirements for this type of organization. Yes, all of you understood? Non-profit association secretary? Good. Next. Next one. Secretary of Cooperative Society. Cooperative Society is an association formed voluntarily स्वेच्छेने by minimum 10 members or more. So in Maharashtra, societies are registered registration when what's the act of this cooperative societies 1960, remember. Its main objective is to provide services to its member. For example, cooperative banks, cooperative housing societies, and consumer cooperative stores is the example of a cooperative society. Appointed management committee. One of the member of the managing committee appointed as a secretary, remember. Generally, secretary works on honorary basis and for large scale organization appointed full-time employee on a salary basis. Qualification such does not have specific qualification, but that person should have good knowledge of the Cooperative Societies Act and should be at least graduate. Yes? All of you understood each and every types of the secretary, personal secretary and institutional secretary. Good. So, all of you listening carefully. Today, I taught you what's the meaning of secretary, what's the definition, origin of secretary, and also I taught you features of secretary and types of secretaries. Okay? Then next lecture I explain you functions of secretary. So that means next lecture, next video I continue this chapter. So thank you so much. Yes, good. And take care. Good day. Okay, bye.